feeling overwhelmed by the visual clutter on your Dochub pages? Today, we're transforming that chaos into calm, boosting your productivity with this simple Dochub optimization tip. This quick tutorial will show you how to make your Dochub page less cluttered, creating a cleaner, more focused environment for managing your documents. Let's dive right in. Our first step is to understand what we're trying to achieve: a streamlined interface. This means identifying and minimizing elements that don't directly contribute to your immediate task. Whether it's reviewing, signing, or organizing, we want the focus squarely on your document. To begin, navigate to your Dochub settings or preferences. You'll be looking for options related to the display or user interface. Don't worry if you don't see an immediate "Make Less Cluttered" button. We'll be making subtle but impactful adjustments. In Dochub, this often involves collapsing or hiding less frequently used sidebars or toolbars. Look for icons like arrows pointing inwards, or subtle hide options. Clicking these will instantly reduce the visual noise and give your document more breathing room. See how much of a difference that makes? By collapsing these panels, you're essentially creating more screen real estate for what truly matters: your document. This is particularly helpful when you're reviewing lengthy contracts or detailed reports. Next, let's consider minimizing persistent notifications or status bars that aren't critical for your current workflow. Dochub often offers options to control which alerts you see, or if they are displayed at all. Again, look for settings within the display or notification areas. You can also optimize your view by adjusting zoom levels or selecting specific viewing modes. Sometimes, simply zooming in on the document itself can make the surrounding interface feel less prominent. Experiment with what feels most comfortable and productive for you. The goal is to tailor your Dochub experience by making these small adjustments: collapsing sidebars, managing notifications, and optimizing your view. You're significantly enhancing the visual presentation and functionality of your pages. This cleaner interface leads to a more focused user experience, reducing distractions and making document management a smoother, more efficient process. You'll find yourself getting tasks done quicker and with less mental effort. So go ahead, experiment with these tips, and unlock a more productive and pleasant Dochub experience. For more tips on mastering your digital documents, subscribe to our channel.